Hey, what's going on? Garrett Birdie here from my10ksystem.com. Now today, what I'm gonna do is review the Profits Passport system. Now this system was created by David Dekel. Okay, you can see him right here. Now he's been online for many years. And what I'm gonna do is actually break down what this system is, how it works, and then some of the results that people have been getting so you can see whether or not you wanna actually go with this or perhaps continue researching and looking for something else. Okay, now I've been online the last 5 years. I've invested my hard-earned money, time, effort into multiple different programs and opportunities over the years, and I can really tell, is this right for the average newbie or the seasoned marketer or someone that maybe doesn't have a big following or list online? And I'm going to take all that into account and break this down. Okay, so this is the website that I'm on right now. This is the Profits Passport website. Now, maybe you've seen this already. Maybe you've already seen some information, or maybe you're just brand new and you saw the post on Facebook, but this is basically what it looks like. Now, what it is it's a webinar. Okay, so if you watch this hour and 40 minutes or so webinar, David will actually break down the different income streams. This system actually comes with 6 or 7 income streams. I say 6 or 7 because he's constantly fine-tuning, removing income streams that aren't converting as well and adding different ones to try to give the members the most earning ability as possible. Okay, now what you would do is basically go to this page, and you would, if you're a new member, you'd create an account. Okay, so you put your first, your last name, and your email, and then you say, yes, let me in. Okay, now if you're a returning member, you would just log in there. Now there's going to be a link directly in the description if at any point of this review you want to actually go through the process and see for yourself, watch the webinar. If you do see an opportunity, you'll be able to sign up. But this is the first step. Now, once you're inside, okay, you'll see the same webinar here. Now, again, this webinar breaks down the different income streams, how to set them up, and what these income streams are basically, what they basically are different either training products or tools to build an online business. So the very first income stream, and I'm not going to go through every single income stream, I've done that in other videos. I just want to give you an overview of the Profits Passport system in this video so you can see, whether or not basically is it legit and is it really worth going forward and checking out more information. So the first income stream though is the Easy One-Up business. Okay, if you haven't heard of Easy One-Up, again, I have other videos on my channel. Easy One-Up very simply is a platform of video training teaching you, again, how to grow an online business. Things like Facebook marketing, email marketing, how to convert your leads online. Okay, now these products range from $25 all the way up to $2,000. Now this specific system is full of income streams that are basically pay to play. Pay to play basically means that you need to invest to actually get the rights to earn commissions. Now, this is actually, again, 5 years online. I've seen tons of different businesses, and most businesses that pay you, $2,000 or higher commission, which is called high ticket, do have pay to play. Okay, it is pay to play. So you're not going to find many that will pay you this much without investing into them, which is totally fine for me and most people online that understand business and things like that. If you were to go start your own brick and mortar business on the street and try to open up your own store or even your own McDonald's as a franchise, you would have to pay up to $1 million, and you may not get a return for up to 4 years. This first income stream is actually instantly paying commissions. So you make a sale, you refer someone to, let's say, the $1,000 level, the $2,000 level, you get that money instantly that day, okay, into a PayPal, a Stripe account. You can kind of choose how you want to get paid, which again was a pro for what I liked, okay? Now, income stream number 2, this is basically FunnelX Advance, which is a pay-per-lead program, okay? So you can actually just make money if you get people to put their email in. Now, before I go further, what I want to share with you is you may think that it's a little bit difficult to promote all these different income streams. And that's what a lot of people think. It's kind of like a con, like, oh, there's all these different income streams. Am I going to have to go out there and sell and recommend people to all these different streams? Well, what the system basically allows you to do is promote this one link. Okay, so you see this one link to promote. this is basically the link that you would go out there and promote on Facebook or YouTube or solo ads. Okay, there's a lot of ways to promote it. This first income stream has training on how to get people to your link. Okay, so also the webinar here, David will share more information on how to get people to your link as well using solo ads. This would be the link. Now, when you go to that link, you get taken to this page. Okay, so this is where people are going. Now, this is an opt-in page. Now, if you want to make money online, one of the big cons that a lot of people struggle with is you have to follow up with people, right? The fortune is in the follow-up. Most people will not buy on the spot. So you need to collect people's email with a page like this and follow up with them. Now, this system actually has built-in follow-up emails. So when you send someone to your link here, they will put their email address in, and then the system will know and track all the different sales to you, and it will start following up with that person through email until they either buy or they decide it's not for them. So you actually get credit for that sale, and it has emails. Now, if you're a seasoned marketer and maybe you came across this Profits Passport review and you're wondering, is this for you? You won't. Basically, well, when you bring someone to this site, you will have the person put their email in, and you can actually get access to their email address if they create an account. Okay, so if they basically go here and they put their email in, that's when you can actually get access to that person's email. And then you'd basically go to this tab here, referrals, and it will have a list of email addresses of people that put it in. So I know some seasoned people, they think, oh, am I giving my email to David? Even though he's going to do the work of following up, you can still access people's information if you want to follow up yourself, if they go ahead and register a free account in the system. Okay, so that's basically how it works. And then some of the other income streams are tools like ROI Panel. Okay, if you sign up and create an account and then put your affiliate ID here to actually get commissions. ROI Panel is a tracking software. So when you go to promote a business online, if you send people to your link here, you want to track, are your sales coming from Facebook? Are your sales coming from, solo ads? You can actually track where the sales are coming from with the third income stream, okay, and etc. You can go through. Maybe you know about Forsage, okay? Maybe you've heard of, if I go to, okay, here, the fourth income stream. You may have seen the buzz on Forsage. It's a brand new business that allows you to actually make money based on cryptocurrency, and it's a massive opportunity right now. Well, Profits Passport, I liked that they actually added this in. This was a pro for me. They added in Forsage, and you can actually create an account inside, and people will go through and start to sign up under you. Now, I want to share that I actually became a member of Profits Passport. Okay, I joined this myself, and I've been sending some traffic and visitors to my link. And I want to share some of the results that I've been able to get, as well as other people that maybe are even brand new and don't have a following online. So if I go to my Facebook profile right here, okay, this is my personal profile. I want to share that I was actually able to generate some absolutely incredible results. You can see that this day here, I was able to generate a $2,000 commission on Autopilot just using the Profits Passport system. The day before that, I made $2,500 in PayPal from the Profits Passport system. The day before this, I made $2,000, okay? And the day before that, I made $2,000. So I'm not sharing this to impress you, but to impress upon you that with my own testing, this system is converting incredibly well. So when you do, go to the link below. And if you already have an account, you can actually create an account with a new email under me, because when you position yourself in the different income streams, you'll get an email from me with my own personal video training on how I'm able to get these results in 30 to 60 minutes a day with free and paid traffic, okay? Now, the last thing I want to end this review on is just some results some of the members have been getting, so you can see that, average people have been using this and what they had to say. So, Paulo right here, okay, he said, I made $110,000 in 90 days just from income stream number one. Okay, so he just did income stream number one, or he, just from that first income stream, not including all the other income, he's been able to generate over 110,000 bucks in 90 days, which is just absolutely incredible. Okay, Nicholas right here. This is for Saj, which is income stream number 4. And he was able to generate already $11,000, okay? Sam right here, he said he woke up, okay, the system is Autopilot. He woke up to a $1,000 Vertex Pro payment. This is the first income stream, okay? Incredible. Allie, okay, she said 618 bucks all before noon. Absolutely incredible. Okay, a few more. Alan, thank you, David, $1,906 in 12 days. Okay, for Saj, that's another income stream. That's income stream number 4. Nate, absolutely incredible. 1,002K rolled in while getting ready to take my car for an oil change. Okay, so again, on Autopilot, 2,000, okay, etc. And I can keep showing you $125. A lot of these people are brand new. Okay, 75, he got $100, okay, already. So if you're watching this video, my personal verdict is to go forward with this. Again, there's gonna be a link below. You'll get taken eventually to this page where you can register a free account. Watch this webinar, pay close attention, and set up the different income streams and start to send some visitors. Again, this system is working not just for me, for people all over the world, and I highly recommend you take a look. It's only getting better, and he's constantly tweaking it. So I hope you got value. If you like this review, be sure to click the like button. Also subscribe so you don't miss out on my latest reviews in the future. If you have any questions as well, comment below. I'll be sure to get back to you and answer your questions as fast as possible so you can best understand this. And again, if you're interested, go down below to my link. Check that out. If you already have an account, register a new account under me so you can access my $1,000 worth of bonuses and see exactly how I'm able to, pull in these $2,000 commissions on a daily basis. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.